This is another video about Python tools in the Python development infrastructure. Today we will talk about Python Poetry. As you can probably know, Poetry is a relatively new Python package manager and virtual environments manager. Poetry combines features of virtual env and pep. It can create and manage Python virtual environments and manage Python project dependencies. It works faster than Pyenv and also it's much more reliable tool than Pyenv. So if you want to start a new Python project, it's definitely worth it to use Poetry. And now I want to install it, and then I'll show how to work with it. So I need a Python poetry.org website, I need documentation, I need installation, and here there is a link to a new installation page, because the get poetry py, the script described here, will be replaced in Poetry 1.2. So I'm clicking here and I need this curl command. Copy. And we have to have the curl installed. So let's install curl. Okay, it's already installed. And then I paste the command here. Poetry not found, and it means that we have to add its bin directory to the path environment variable. Let's copy this, add poetry to your path. Then let's open bash rc file. And somewhere here, export path variable, and the value of the variable will be the path colon, and then I am pasting home local bin. Let's restart the bash rc file and let's check the poetry version. Okay. The main great feature of Poetry is that it forces us to use virtual environments to isolate our project dependencies from globally installed Python packages. And Poetry do it automatically. If you are unfamiliar with virtual environments, consider watching my video about Python virtual environments. What is it and why we have to use them? Shortly speaking, a virtual environment is just a separate copy of your Python installation, and any Python package manager, pep or poetry or pyenv, will install all Python packages for that particular Python installation. So, we got Poetry. And I think it's better to set up a directory where Poetry stores Python itself and its packages. By default, Poetry stores virtual environments in your home directory in .cache by poetry virtual envs path. But I prefer to have the directory with virtual environment inside the project directory. Also, I think you use VS Code. And if you want VS Code to use the current virtual environment of your project, you have to put virtual environment folder in your project directory. So let's look at pypoetry config. Poetry config list. To change the directory where pypoetry stores virtual environments, this is the default folder directory, we have to set virtual envs in project property to true. So let's do it. Poetry config true. Virtual envs in project true. Typo. Once again. List. Okay. The value is changed. And now let's look at how to use Poetry. To start a Python project with poetry, there are two options. The first one is to use an already existed directory. So I created the directory with one name, and inside it I opened a terminal, and here we can use the poetry init command. The master will ask some questions about the package name, your email, and so on. You can leave default values, or we can skip these questions with a -n argument. Okay, we can see that poetry created PyProject toml file that will contain all dependencies of your project, production dependencies and development dependencies. And the second option to create a new Python project is to use the new command, poetry new, and then the name of the project, new project. And in the new project directory, we can see that poetry created a file structure of your future project. I will use the first option for this tutorial. Okay, let's install something. To install a Python package, we have to use the add command, poetry add Django. And we can see that poetry automatically created and activated a virtual environment for this project. Let's create a new Python script. Let's say from Django import version, and let's print it, version. And let's run this script, Python main py. And we can see that the module named Django is not found, it is not installed. And it means that the global Python dependencies was used. Now, if we want to use the Python dependencies of our specific project, we have to use this long enough command, poetry run, and then Python main py. And this time we can see that the version of Django is 404. It is not convenient to use such long commands, and so we have two options again. We can activate the virtual environment with a poetry shell command, poetry shell. We can see it was activated. Or we can create an alias to the poetry run command. If we have activated virtual environment, we can use usual commands like Python main py. And we got this result. Or if we want to run the scripts in an interactive mode, we can use -i main py command. The same way. To look at installed Python packages, we can use poetry show command or poetry show tree. This output is very nice, by the way, much better than Pyenv has. And to remove a Python package, we can use poetry remove and then the name of the package I want to remove. Nothing installed. If you like this short Python poetry tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.